involve any of the Yamanaka factors. Is this just an exception to the rule?
I think it is an exception. I don't know the details of that experiment. Maybe Bruce does. You would know the answer to this probably. But I think, so from the reading that I've done, there are certain cell types that you can do this direct conversion and certain ones you can't. And so in that case, it's sort of, they just lucked out. Yeah, so if you tried it.
They converted mesoderm of one kind to muscle, which is mesoderm, and actually the same thing can be done with a number of other muscle transcription factors. So, but it was a pretty groundbreaking experiment at the time.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, in terms of when you consider the different types of tissues that you have in the human body, the different types of cells that you have, if we had a big long list of all those tissues and cell types, what proportion of those do we know how to program to become that? Like bone, muscle.
I don't know the answer to that.
Yeah.
I mean, these direct reprogramming, this is really new. This is those papers that I put the titles of, those are just in the last few years.
Right.
There is so much known about nowadays about specific cells and which genes are expressed in them. And so if you were able to catalog all of that and try to figure out which are the earliest genes, because any cell type, as it differentiates, there are early ones that are turned on and then trigger all the later ones. So you really want to find those earliest ones that are causing that cell to go down one particular lineage versus the other. But yeah, I'm sure somebody has a database.